If you've ever thought, it's too late for me, pause that thought right now. I used to think the same thing. After 50, people told me you just have to accept it. But here's the truth, your body is still adaptable, your mind is still powerful, and change is still possible. So in my mid 50s, I was about 30 pounds overweight and I was low energy. I was stressed out and I was thinking maybe this is just the way it's supposed to be. Maybe this is just normal aging. And finally, I proved myself wrong. And I'm so glad I did. And today I'm sharing with you three mindset shifts that helped me drop a size and keep going, and they can work for you too. Shift number one is to realize that your body is adaptable. Science tells us that muscle and metabolism can improve at any age. Your metabolism is not stuck, and your muscles are not on an inevitable downward decline. Your body responds to what you do repeatedly, and even small, consistent effort creates change. So you don't have to live at the gym. 15 minutes a day can create noticeable results. And energy improves first, and then the inches follow. I'm a prime example of that. I was a sedentary stay at home mom raising my six kids and homeschooling. And I really thought it was too late to get in shape. And finally, when the oldest kids were old enough to take care of the youngest kids, I was able to step outside by myself and enjoy the fresh air for just a little while. And I thought it was too late to run. I was only 38 years old at that point, but I thought I was too old. See how we just kind of believe these things? But I started walking and it felt so good. And then as I did that every day, I started to get a little bit stronger and a little stronger. And before too long, I decided that I would try running just a few steps. And I gradually increased that distance from a few steps to maybe a mile or two. And the rest is history. I became a runner, and it shocked me that even at that age, I could do it. Well, now I'm doing Ironman events and loving it. And I'm 65 years old. I think that's proof right now that it's never too late. Shift number two, small steps compound. Perfection is not the goal. Focus on just one action at a time. Our small wins add up and they stay with you. An example of a small step is just doing one easy swap. So, just adding a protein to breakfast or swapping a soda for some water with a little squeeze of lemon in it. Delicious, easy, simple. It's not about overhauling your whole life in one day. That's where we fall flat and fail. It's about making one doable choice over and over. One small swap that ended up being a big change for me was just realizing that fresh fruit was every bit as good as that dessert that I was craving. And I learned to savor it and enjoy it. And eventually, the cravings for the fatty, sugar laden desserts just dissolved away. Shift number three, identity comes first. You have to see yourself as the kind of person who takes care of her body, who values and honors and loves her own body. And then as you shift your belief to embrace that new thought, your actions are going to follow that new identity. The more you act in alignment with that identity, the more it sticks and the more it becomes who you are. Instead of saying, I'm trying to lose weight, say, I'm the kind of person who fuels my body well. I'm the kind of person who cares for my body and honors my body. And as you change your thoughts, your beliefs change and you become that person. and it becomes so much easier. Just to recap, it's not too late. Your body is adaptable. Small steps compound, and identity comes first. And if you're ready to start your shift, grab my free 5-day Jeans Jumpstart Plan. You're going to get simple daily actions that help you feel lighter and more confident and in control. The link's right below this video, so download it now and start your quick wins this week. And above all else, keep going.